Imagine this. You walk into a nice restaurant. The waiter smiles at you, but then you stop. You don't know what to say. Your mind is empty. Oh, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will order food like a pro. So, here is our plan for today. First, you will listen to some very important phrases. You need these words to order food in a restaurant. But you are not just listening. You must listen and repeat these words after me. I will say each phrase 2 times. The first time, I will speak slowly so you can hear every word and repeat. The second time, I will speak at a normal speed, like a real conversation. Then, in the second part of this lesson, you will see a real-life story. I will act out a scene in a restaurant with a waiter. You will see how to use these phrases in a real talk. Are you ready? Well, let's begin. I have a reservation for 3 people at 7. I have a reservation for 3 people at 7. Is there a table available outside? Is there a table available outside? Can I look at the menu before I choose? Can I look at the menu before I choose? Do you have a list of drinks? Do you have a list of drinks? What is the special food today? What is the special food today? I want the shrimp with garlic. I want the shrimp with garlic. I want the cooked salmon. I want the cooked salmon. Please give me a piece of carrot cake. Please give me a piece of carrot cake. I want some mashed potatoes on the side. I want some mashed potatoes on the side. I would like sweet potatoes with my meal. I would like sweet potatoes with my meal. Let's share the cost of the meal. Let's share the cost of the meal. I think we should pay for our own food. I think we should pay for our own food. I will pay with my credit card. I will pay with my credit card. Can I use cash to pay for that? Can I use cash to pay for that? Very good work! You listened and you repeated the main phrases for the restaurant. Now you are ready to talk to a waiter. Next, I'm going to show you a real story. We are going to a restaurant together. We will see how to use these phrases to order food and pay for the meal. Let's go!
Hi, welcome to the Garden Bistro.
Hey, hello. I have a booking for 3 people at 7.
Let me check. Yes, table 31 is in the garden. Follow me, please.
Actually, is there a table available outside?
Yes, we have one. Do you want the patio or the roof?
The patio sounds nice. Can I look at the menu first?
Of course. Here is the menu. So, are you ready to order?
Yes. Do you have a list of drinks?
Yes, we have many wines and drinks. What would you like?
Well, let me see. What is the special food today?
Today, we have salmon with lemon sauce or pasta with mushrooms.
I think I will start with the garlic shrimp.
Good choice. And for your main meal,
I'll have the grilled salmon.
do you want any extra food with that?
Let's see. I will have the mashed potatoes, please.
Great. And would you like a dessert after?
Yes, please bring me the carrot cake.
Perfect. I will start your order now. Okay, here is your bill. Do you want one bill or separate bills?
Let's split the bill. We can divide it by 3. Wait, actually, I was thinking we should go Dutch. Let's each pay for what we ate.
Sure, no problem. How do you want to pay?
I will pay with my card.
Okay. And the tip?
Can I pay the tip in cash?
Of course. Thank you. Have a very nice night.
Great job! You practiced real restaurant phrases today. You saw a story where I used those words to show you how to do it. Now I have a question for you. What food do you love the most? And how often do you go to restaurants? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, click subscribe, and hit the bell. Don't miss our next English lesson. Bye-bye!